ready tacos.
Take a picture and you can show them.
Are they good, Heather? Trying to?
Just take a picture.
It's on a video.
No, so she could show her friends at
will.
work.
I just want to know for the video if they're good.
Very good.
Muy bueno.
Muy
Mucho
bueno.
What?
Sabroso?
Sí.
Okay. So that's what they look like.
The jalapeno is a win.
The jalapenos the win?
Putting it in there.
Good.
I didn't even try Colombiana.
So the way I like to
Wait
eat
a minute.
these is I like to put some onion, like this, and some guacamole.
Did they do the Galveston? I think they went to.
And that's it.
Did they ever go?
See, I like to eat them with the guacamole and the onions on top. And there's the cheese. And then put a little bit of lime in them. Perfect. On them, sorry. Yep. How you eat a Mexican taco. You squeeze the lime, then you dip it in your guacamole.
Put a
You
bean
put
on
a
top.
bean on top. One. Yep. And then you. Wow. Man, good. There you go. Good job. That baby knows how to eat tacos. In the meantime, Silas is eating Lucky Charms. He does not like tacos.
He's a whitey.
His sister's. Oh, there he goes. He.
Try it.
Yeah. Oh.
You only tried the guac?
Great job. Lucky
You like
Charms.
it?
Lucky
Like
Charms and
guacamole, Do
cereal.
you like it?
It smells like sour and beans. Sour
At least
and
you
beans
tried
and
it.
marshmallow. That's what it smells like.
Well, at least you tried it. Good job.